Guys, so I really want to talk to you today about how to stretch your ears and how to do it safely. So first things first, this is a body modification, so you do want to make sure that you have every single thing that you need to do this safely. Starting out with doing your research. It's really important that you do understand what you're doing to your body before you just jump in and do it on a whim. Because once you do get to about a 0, your ears will never fully shrink back to the size that they were. So first real thing that I want to talk about is lubrication, because I see online a lot of people spreading misinformation that could really damage your ears in the future. So you really do want to use either vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, or your balm of choice. More specifically, a balm that is made for ear stretching. You guys already know that I love the Body J for You ear stretching balm. I just overall love the properties of it. It's vegan and it moisturizes and heals your freshly stretched ears. You do not want to be using anything like Neosporin, Vaseline, baby oil. The oils and balms that I mentioned are just as cheap as the other things, if not cheaper. So second thing I want to talk about is how to prep your ears before you size up, or if this is your first time stretching your ears, then this will be really important to know. So what a lot of people like to do is they just lube up their ears and then they stick either the taper or the tunnel through. And honestly, that is where most of the discomfort comes from. So you can either take a hot shower, massage your lobes while you're in the shower, come out and stretch, or you can massage your lobes while you're in a hot shower, come out, massage your lobes for an extra 5 to 10 minutes, and then stretch. Within doing this, it causes blood flow and it almost makes your ears like elastic, therefore making for an easier stretch. Also, you could do all that and your ears still may not be ready, but doing these steps will greatly increase your chance of having a smoother stretch. Third thing I want to talk about is pain. So obviously when stretching your ears, there is going to be a little bit of discomfort unless you are using heavier jewelry. I personally do like to use tapers. That is just something that I grew up doing. So obviously when it comes to using tapers, there will be just a slight discomfort with it, but it shouldn't be excruciatingly painful. And if it is, then your ears are more than likely not ready to stretch and you should wait a couple more weeks. The pain should be minimal to none. Also, I already have a video touching on in-between sizes. So whenever you do purchase kits that include tapers and tunnels, there are going to be some sizes missing. So you just want to make sure that you are filling in those gaps by getting the correct taper size or tunnel size. But again, that all falls under doing your research. If there was anything else I missed or you guys would like me to talk about, please let me know because I do want to turn this into a series. And yeah, until next time.